Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to create AI images, videos or avatars without paying, OpenArt offers a free plan with limited credits. And if you use it smartly, it's more than enough to get started. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to use OpenArt for free in 2026 efficiently and strategically, okay? So first thing first, create a free account, okay? Go to OpenArt website. Click sign up and use email or Google account. You will receive free credits automatically. Check your free credits. Okay, so after logging in, look at your credit balance. Each generation uses credit, so manage them wisely. Use free models only, so when generating content, choose models labeled free. Avoid premium models, they cost more credits. Okay, so free models still give good results. So generate images efficiently. For example, enter your prompt, okay, choose settings, click generate and start with low number of images, standard resolution, and saves credit. Try video features carefully, so use video tools in small tests, okay. Keep clips short, like video means high credit usage, okay. So reuse and edit instead of regenerating, okay. So edit existing images, use variations instead of new prompt, okay. Saves credit significantly, okay. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.